now standing at platform 0 is the 1447 Stepford Express, service to Lynn by the Sea.
Willowfield.
Calling at
Please mind the gap between the train and the
Lynn
platform.
by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. Platform 10 for the 1446
Stepford Central.
Connect, service
This
to
train is for
Stepford Airport
Stepford
Central.
Airport Central.
Calling at
The next station
Stepford
is
East, St
Stepford
Helens
East.
Bridge, Bowdon, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches. The train now approaching platform 4 terminates here. The train now standing at
Welcome on
platform 14 is the 1448